Uniwatch battery security camera and an application from your iOS or Droid device will be needed to run the unit. And this is 100% wire-free, no cords, no wires, no worries, 2K Smart AI battery camera. Full HD 2K. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside, and give you a brief detail on how to hook it up. It is cold outside. It is best to charge these cameras indoors. If you live in a warm climate, you can run the cable, put it to an optional solar panel, or put your own plug-in, etc., etc. So what we're going to do is charge this unit up, but let's go over some of the details of the unit. We have a mounting bracket. You don't have a little template that you put on the wall, so you're just basically going to do your little markings. And when you tighten up this little thumb bolt, the gimbal is going to stay in place, as you can see as I'm tightening up. And there you go. The tighter you make it, the tighter it's going to get. Now this little knob here is going to strengthen on the back of the unit, and you're going to spin on like so to the 1/4 20 thread. And once it's on, you're going to spin this up and lock it into place, and then you're going to just simply put it to where you want it to be and lock it down. And there you go. On the back of the unit, you got a speaker. On the front of the unit, you got your sensor and your lens, and you have a protector all over the front that you need to peel off before you run and use your camera. On the bottom over here is your IP rated door that's going to have a USB micro C card, your reset, and on and off switch and charging area. It's black on black. You're given a micro USB-A cable, hardware to install the unit, and an instruction manual with the application to run the smartphone. I have here a couple of outlets. I'm going to match like for like, and I'm going to take my other end and I'm going to supply power. As my unit's charging up, there is a red light, and I allow it to charge. Uniwatch is run by Cloud Edge. You're going to look for your battery-operated camera. You're going to follow the instructions. You're going to turn your camera on after it's fully charged. On the back of the camera is an application, a QR symbol. What you're going to do is you're going to take your code and scan it in, and you're going to hear a whistle. You're going to go to next. Simply follow the instructions where you can skip.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation.
It's going to tell you got a strong signal. And you're all set up, and you can see everything you need to do to hook up your device. There is a new version found to upgrade the software, as this will update. You have a history of cloud, a screenshot, an intercom, a record, motion detection, the sensitivity, power saving, and so forth. An alert plan, alarm, an alarm, an area, a warning, a strobe light. I always like to show people the strobe light. You have a siren. You have a second page that has audio warning and strobe light, full color, and album. You have a cog gear that goes through all the settings and features of the device. I am going to hook mine up outside back just like so, and I'm going to show you what it looks like through the application. Please remember, you're going to need 2.4 Wi-Fi. We're in the backyard, and when we go into low level light, the light will come on and stay on for a number of seconds. Depending on the settings you use for your camera, it's going to consume more battery power. So you want to set your camera up the correct way. I can zoom in, I can look around. It is 2K when I set this up. It would notify me if there's any motion and so forth. And that is how simple it is to use one of these cameras. Just to give you an idea what a garage looks like in total darkness, this thing does an awesome job. On SD, and I could go to QHD, getting video in QHD quality, and you can see the improvement of the video. So if you're looking for a 2K Smart AI battery camera for nighttime, you name it, for a boatyard, for a house, the side of the house, a shed, in a garage, an office, a workplace, wherever you need to put up a camera that will last a number of days to months on end. And you're going to have to recharge this every so often. I hope this product is something that you're looking for of a security camera. I'm happy to go briefly over the product and show you exactly what it did. Have a great day and enjoy your security camera.